Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to present data on COVID-19 for India. I've taken this data from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare website, and this data is not as of today. I'm just taken like 2 days before. So in this you can see like we have total cases of COVID-19 patients, then how many are active cases, how many are cured and discharged, and total death numbers here. Then right corner, I have given filter. So if you want to view for a particular state, just click on any of that and that will show for the particular state. So let me click on Maharashtra. So this showing map is showing like for Maharashtra total cases are like 3,75,799. Out of that 2,13,238 are cured. 13,656 are the casualties like deaths, and still we have 1,48,905 patients active. And this is like total case versus active. So in Maharashtra, we have 3,75,799 total cases. Out of that, 1,48,905 is still active. And the recovery rate in Maharashtra is 56.74%, whereas the death rate of Maharashtra is 3.63%. So let me remove the filter now and we can have a full look of the Power BI dashboard. So in the first one, I have presented the data of the different states. So these red color bubbles shows like how many counts are there in a particular state. So if you can see the bigger one, that means this count is more, and the smaller one means there's a less count. So if I just put my cursor there, you'll get the details for the particular state. So in that you can see like state name will be the total cases, then discharged, deaths, and active cases. Moving to the next one, I have presented a graph comparison between your total case and active cases. So the Maharashtra is on the top of one. Red one is your total cases and white one represents the active number of cases. So if I scroll down below, you have all the states and their total cases versus active cases numbers. Moving to the next one, you have recovery rate for top 10 states. So the top 10, Delhi is the top state where you have good recovery rate of 87.96 percentage, followed by Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Bihar, UP, Maharashtra, Andhra, and Karnataka. The last one is your death rate for the top 10 states. So here Gujarat is the topper with 4.17 percentage death rate, then Maharashtra, followed by Delhi, then Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. At the bottom, I have used the scroller which shows the number of active cases. So you can see here, like for Himachal Pradesh, it's 966. Still active cases are there, followed by Nagaland, Manipur. So it's keep on showing for all the states and the active number count. So this is sorted from the larger to the lowest one. So that's it. Thanks for watching my dashboard. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and feel free to comment if you want to see more videos in future, and I'll be coming up with more dashboards. Thank you so much.